Welcome to Columbine Lake, just minutes from Grand Lake, Colorado, where mountain air, serene water, and wildlife come together for a truly peaceful retreat. Nestled on a quiet cul-de-sac, this beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 3-bath home offers the perfect blend of comfort and adventure. Spend evenings gathered around the fire pit or enjoy coffee on the new lower-level walkout deck as deer, elk, and moose wander by. Inside, the open living space features hardwood floors, a wood-burning fireplace, granite countertops, custom cabinetry, and brand new kitchen appliances. The main level includes a bedroom, full bath, and laundry. Upstairs, this spacious primary suite offers 2 walk-in closets, a gas fireplace, and a jetted tub with separate shower. The walkout lower level adds another bedroom, a second living area, bar, sauna, and access to the brand new deck and backyard. With an oversized 2-car garage and freshly painted interior, this home is truly move-in ready. Enjoy Columbine Lake's private amenities, including a stocked lake, paddleboarding, and a clubhouse with an indoor pool and hot tub. Just minutes away, Grand Lake offers Colorado's largest natural lake, historic boardwalk, and year-round charm. And with Rocky Mountain National Park at your doorstep, world-class hiking, wildlife, and adventure are never far away. Welcome home.